Welcome to the You Win Tool Parade, the teacher-to-teacher open overview of what EdTech can do for you. From the University of Windsor's Faculty of Education, I'm Stephanie, and today we're talking Twitter, a social media platform used for conversation and collaboration. Twitter is an online social networking platform. You can share short videos, photos, links, polls, or cat gifs, and you don't need to friend someone to see what they share or like. Students can post micro-essays or build accounts based on fictional or historical characters, and then tweet as if they were those people. Students can talk to classmates or to other classes anywhere in the world. But it's for educators that Twitter can really be a game changer. Educational hashtags are like 24/7 PD. A hashtag is a way to organize discussion, no matter how big or small. Educators can also join hashtags that already exist. Contribute. People might chat back to you. You can build a whole network of colleagues to gain new ideas that you might not have ever thought of before. But what about costs and risks? With Twitter, you're paying with your data. It's free to sign up, but they collect information from you through data licensing, ads, and data collection. Regardless of whether you're just looking or lurking on Twitter, if you're logged in or not, they're collecting information from you. Twitter also tracks what you've liked and followed so that they can tailor ads to push at you. It's a classic if you can't see the product, you are the product type of social media platform. So while kids can sign up for their own account, a better way to keep students protected is by having a classroom account managed by the educator. But never forget, you're paying with your data. Women with opinions may find certain pockets of Twitter that are less than welcoming. Same with people of color. But hashtags are a great way for marginalized populations to band together and stand up for what they believe in. You can make your Twitter private, but this will keep you out of those hashtag chats. But most of the time, the education circles are mostly welcoming, and newer accounts don't generally get a hard time. Twitter can scaffold actual positive engagement online for both students and educators. Students can ask questions to public accounts, or they can tweet to students in different classes. Twitter can also support differentiated learning, allowing teachers to rethink assignments to allow students to show their thinking in out-of-the-box ways. Twitter's 280 character limit encourages concision and learning to support arguments using images and GIFs as an important visual literacy. Teachers can investigate Twitter itself with students too. Get them learning how to identify fake news or fake accounts, evaluate different styles of political communications, or look at the hashtags for different geographical, cultural, or disability communities to consider new perspectives on issues. Twitter can also be great for language learners. It enables short communications with real audiences. There are also many Twitter accounts in multiple world languages. Twitter can be a valuable tool for learning about the times we live in, and for learning in the classroom. Overall, it gets one big apple from the teacher for modeling digital literacy for educators and students, and for opening the classroom to the world. It only gets a quarter of an apple for data because you're the product, and Twitter exposes the product, you, to the best and the worst of the internet. It gets 3/4 of an apple for differentiated learning and student-centered pedagogy because it supports authentic and engaging communications, as well as allowing for a written response that is a little more 21st century. So overall, 2 apples out of 3 for Twitter. Thanks for talking Twitter with us. Follow us at #YouWinToolParade and let us know what platforms you want to see next.